Are you on a toaster of a PC and can't get above 120 FPS? Well then in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to boost your FPS, lower your input delay, and lower your ping with this free and easy to use tweaking utility. This application will optimize your computer for games such as Fortnite, Valorant, and GTA 5. Now before I show you guys this free utility, I want to talk about Risen's premium panels, which completely optimize your PC for the best possible performance and lowest possible latency on your computer. The premium panels hold a fraction of the power of its free ones. Just imagine how much better it would make your computer. Risen Tweaks has over 1,000 reviews on their Discord server and is constantly getting new vouchers every day. You can check it out at risentweaks.com and make sure to use code LUNA for 15% off of your order. The first thing you guys want to do is join the Discord server and I'll link in the description below. Next, you guys want to find yourself to the free tweaks channel and then download Risen Free v14.bat. So I'm going to download, then download a verified file. Now I'm going to drag it to my desktop. And just so you guys know, this file is completely open source, so you can right click and then edit and look at the code yourself to see that it's not doing anything malicious to your computer. And to prove it to you guys, I'm going to go into VirusTotal, and I'm going to drag the file into VirusTotal. And then as you can see, I got 4 false detections, and if you go to the behavior tab, it is 0 detections found, which means it's not doing anything malicious to your computer. Now I'm going to right click and then run as administrator. And then the first thing you guys want to do is create a restore point, so I'm going to hit 1 then enter to create one. Now press any key to continue. Now we're going to go into Windows settings by hitting 2 then enter. And then if you guys want to find out what this does to your computer, you want to hit 2 and enter. But I'm just going to hit 1, so I'm going to hit 1 and enter to apply. Now I'm going to go to deep load by hitting 3 then enter. And if you guys want to find out what this uninstalls, you want to hit 0 then enter. And it's going to show you what it uninstalls. And since I use some of these apps, I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to hit X then enter. And now for the power plan, I'm going to hit 4 then enter. And then you want to hit 1 then enter. It's just going to come up, and then you want to go on Risen Free Plan V1 and then exit out of that, and then go back to the main menu by hitting X then enter. And now for the startup apps, you want to hit 5 then enter, hit OK. Now you want to go here and then disable everything, and then I keep light shot enabled because I use it to take screenshots. And then now for CPU, I'm going to hit 6 then enter, continue, and then finally the cleaner 7 then enter. And this can normally take a second. And then continue. And now you're done with the tweaks, and all you have to do is restart your PC and you should be good to go.